Hi guys! Welcome to our YouTube channel. We would like to show our gratitude for all your support by subscribing and visiting our channel. We are halfway there to 1K subscribers! For today's recipe is again one of the dish prepared from our birthday episode, grilled squid stuffed with prawns and spices. We have here a huge size of squid with a size of more than 1 kilo. Now, let's clean the squid by removing its head from the body. Then, let's remove both eyes. And lastly, we'll remove the squid's teeth. Now, we'll proceed to the body. Wow! Look at the internals! It's so ewy amazing!
Paano masabi?
Now we'll remove it. Next, we'll remove its internal shell. And finally, we'll remove the skin parts. Now, it's clean. We'll prepare the stuffed ingredients. In a bowl, we'll mix the tomatoes, onions, garlic, and spring onions. One teaspoon of salt and black pepper, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of brown sugar, and 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce. And just mix it all. Now, we'll stuff the ingredients inside the squid, starting with the prawns. Then, the mixed spices we prepared. Once we finish putting the ingredients, we'll now secure the squid. Then brush some oil and oyster sauce into the squid. Then grill at 175 degrees Celsius for half an hour. Our homemade grilled squid. Look at that! It's bursting with all the stuffed prawns and spices.
Nung sinasakyan kita, parang menengbi ang kanyang katawan.
Thanks for watching mga ka-Jabagab. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and ring the bell to get notified for our next video. Bye!